A lot of people ask me to make a video on making an Fiverr account. So what you can see in front of you, it's Fiverr official website, and on the top right you can see join. You're gonna do is hit the join option and then continue with Facebook. Make sure your Facebook being open in the next tab, in another tab, and now you can see I'm officially logged into my Fiverr account, and where I can sell things, where I can sell my services, products, and grab customers and clients. In another video I will be showing some absolutely amazing skills and some things about Fiverr, how to sell, how to be the best Fiverr Fiverr member, and all the stuff. So if you want to see all those stuff, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, which is Legend Vlogs, and I will be seeing you soon with another video of mine. Till then, it's goodbye and have a good day.